Hello everyone, Monisha here. This is the second part of exercise 5.2 in which I have covered from question 8 to question 14. Let us start the session. Let us move on to the 8th question of exercise 5.2. Here first we need to find out area grazed when the rope is 5 meter. So two area is given. Once the rope is 5 meter, next the rope is 10 meter. So we have to find out how many or how much area has been increased in grazing by the length of the rope increasing. Okay, so first area when length of rope is 5 meter. So this is 5 meter. So area of the sector theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta here it is 90 degree. Therefore 90 divided by 360 into 3.14 into 5 square, that is 5 into 5. 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are 36. So here 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 25. So the division will get 19.625 meter square. So this is area grazed when rope is 5 meter. So next second one is area grazed when rope is area when rope is 10 meter, that is r is equal to 10 meter. Again the same formula, area of the sector theta by 360 into pi r square. So 90 by 360 into 3.14. Here we have to include 10 square. 0 0 cancel, 9 ones are 9 fours are. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 100. So the calculation of this will be 78.5 meter square. So now we have to find out increase in the area of grazing. Increase in the area of grazing. So this we can find out by just subtracting area when the rope is 10 meter minus the area when the rope is 5 meter, that is 19.625. So the subtraction you will get 58.875 meter square. So this is the increase in the grazing area when two lengths of rope has been used. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 9th question of this session. A brooch. Brooch is nothing but which the girls will wear in their hairs. So a brooch is made up with a silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. So here first the length has been given, the diameter of a brooch. The diameter of a brooch is 35 millimeter. So I will convert it into centimeter, which will become 3.5 centimeter, or we will write this 3.5 as 7.2 also. So 7.2 because 2 3s are 6.5. So 3.5. So we can write 3.5 or 7.2. So next we have to find out length of the wire required for making 5 diameters. Okay. So here one diameter has been given where we have to take 5 diameters of the length of the same brooch. So length of the wire required for making 5 diameters. For making 5 diameters. So which is equal to 3.5. 3.5 is the length of one brooch into 5 diameters, that is 1 diameter into 5, that is equal to 17.5 centimeter. So next the length of the wire required for making a circle. So this brooch that is a silver length of a line is transformed into a circle. Okay, the length of a rod required to make a circle. Length of a wire required for making a circle. So we know that if it is in a circle shape, and this can be also considered as a circumference. So the length of the wire required for making a circle can also be considered as circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. And we know that circumference of a circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. So here this is a diameter. So diameter is 7.2, whereas radius is half of diameter. So it will become, the radius will become 7/4. So 2 into pi is 3.14 into 7/4 is the radius r. So 2 ones are 2 twos are, here we will get 10.99 centimeter. So this is the length of a wire which is transformed into a circle shape. Okay. Now we have to find out the total length of a silver wire. Total length of the silver wire. The total length of the silver wire, you can see that we have to make it into the diameter, 5 diameters, and also the circle. So we need the total length of whole silver wire, okay, required to make a brooch. Required to make a brooch. So both the 5 diameters will take 17.5 centimeter plus the circle shape. The circle shape will take 10.99 centimeter. So the total length will be 28.49 centimeter. So this is the length of the brooch. Now we need to find out the area of each sector. You can find out the sector. It will form as a sector, right? So the area of each sector. Area of each sector. So the area of each sector can be calculated by dividing area of a circle by 10 sectors. Why 10 sectors? If you take 5 diameters, then it will cut into 10 sectors. So whole area of a circle divided by these 10 sectors, we can find out the area of each sector. So area of circle is pi r square divided by 10 sectors are there. So pi r square 3.14 into radius, we know that 7/4 into 7/4 whole divided by 10. So 3.14 into 7 sevens are 49. So this denominator 4, I will take it in the denominator place. So it will become 10 into 4 into 4. So 3.14 into 49 will become 153.86 whole divided by 4 fours are 16 into 10 is 160. So we will get 0.9616 centimeter square, or else we can write it as 0.96 centimeter square. So this is the area of each sector. The area of each sector is equal to 0.96 centimeter square. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 10th question of this session. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. So there are 8 ribs. Ribs is nothing but the line which you can see inside an umbrella where an iron lining will be given. That is called as a ribs. So according to the question, there are 8 ribs in an umbrella. Which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle, we have to assume it as a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. So here the radius is 45 centimeter. Find the area between the consecutive ribs. So 45 centimeter has been given, but the angle is not given. But we know that if it is a circle with the sector in this, we can find out the angle. So first we have to find out angle between the consecutive ribs. Angle between the consecutive ribs, since it is a circle, so we can take it as 360 degree by 8 ribs are there, divide by 8. So we will get a 45 degree. So this 45 degree will be theta, whereas we know that a radius is also given, which is also equal to 45 centimeter. So next we have to find out in this question area between two consecutive ribs, that is this sector. This sector we have to find out area between two consecutive ribs. Two consecutive ribs, that is area of each sector, which is also equal to area of each sector. We know that area of sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is nothing but 45 degree divided by 360 into, here pi I will be taking as 22 by 7 into radius is also 45. So here it is 8. So next we will get 22 into 45. Sorry, here we have to write 45. 45 into 45 whole divided by 8 sevens are 56. So by multiplication you will get 44550 divided by 56. So here from 2 you can divide it. You will get 22275 divided by 28. So the division of this will be 795.535. So this is the area of each sector of this umbrella. The area of each sector of this umbrella is 795.53 centimeters square. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the next question. So here a car has two wipers which do not overlap. So here the length of the wiper is given, so which is taken as radius 25 and the theta is 115 degree. We have to find out the total area cleaned by each sweep. So here there are two sectors, so we have to take 2 into area of sector. So 2 into area of sector, we know that theta by 360 into pi r square. So 2 into theta is 115 degree by 360 into 22 by 7 into r. R is 25. So 2 ones are 2 180s are, and from 5 we can take it 5 23s are and 5 36. So here we will obtain 23 into 22 into 25, 25 is 625 divided by 36 into 7. So by multiplication you will get 316250 divided by 252. Here again we can divide it by 2. So you will get 158125 divided by 126. So the division of this will be 1254.96 centimeters square. So this is the division of this. So the 2 into area of sector, or the total area cleaned by each sweep, is given as 1254.96 centimeters square. I hope you understood this. Let us move on to the 12th question of this session. 2 warnships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of an angle 80 degree. So here theta is 80 degree and distance, that is r is 16.5 kilometer. We have to find the area of a sea over which the ships are warned. That is area of the sea water, area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Ships are warned, which is also equal to area of sector of a circle, area of sector. So this sector which we can see, that is the area of the sector. Area of sector is given by the formula theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is 80 by 360 into pi r square. So pi we will take it as 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. So here 4 2s are and 4 9s are. So 2 by 9. So the multiplication of the whole thing we will get 854.865. So the multiplication of the numerators, we will obtain 1709.73 whole divided by 9. So the area of the sea over which the ships are warned is equal to 189.97 kilometers square. Up to this kilometer, the lighthouse will warn the ships. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the 13th question of this session. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. If the radius of the cover is 28 cm, find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 cm square. Okay. So here, when the vertices of a polygon are joined at a center. So when all the vertices of a polygon, okay, when the vertices of the polygon are joined to the center, it becomes a regular hexagon. It becomes a regular hexagon of radius which is already given, that is 28 cm. Okay, so now we have the radius of each length. Okay, the radius is 28 cm. Now we have to find out the angle, each angle at the center. Since it is the round table, the round signifies a circle, so 360 degree divided by, it is a hexagon, so the angle is 60 degree, so the 60 degree is the theta. Okay, next, if it is 60 degree, each and every triangle will become equilateral triangle. So here what happens, all the triangles will become equilateral triangles, so the area of all equilateral triangle, since it is 60 degree, it will be equilateral triangle, so the area of all 6 equilateral triangle is 6 into, we know that if equilateral triangle is there, we have to write this formula, that is 6 into, so 1.73 is the value of root 3 by 4 into 28 into 28. So 4 sevens are. So this area of all 6 equilateral triangle, you will get 199.2 centimeters square. This is the area of all the equilateral triangle. Next we have to find out, there is a circle of a round table. So we have to find out the area of a circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi 22 by 7 into r is again 28. So 7 4s are 88 into 28, which is equal to 2464 centimeters square. This is area of a circle. But here we need to find out the area of 6 designs. Area of 6 designs. The area of 6 designs is the subtraction of area of circle to area of 6 triangles. So the area of circle minus area of 6 triangles. So which is equal to 2464 minus 1999.2. So you will get 464.8 centimeter square. So the final thing is we have to find out the cost of painting. The cost of painting of design. So the cost of painting the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square. Okay, at 0.35 per meter square. So 464.8 into 0.35. So the entire design we will get at the painting of rupees 162.68. So this is a way of doing this. I hope you understood this. The last question of this session is tick the correct answer. Area of sector of angle P of a circle of radius R, capital R. So which is equal to P by 720, because we know that area of sector with the angle theta R is 0 by 360 into, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. So the exact option is D is equal to D option, that is P by 720 into 2 pi capital R square. So this is the last question of second exercise. If you have any queries, please comment me on the comment section. Thank you.